Okay, so we're going to do a quick video on button covers. These are plastic covers which allow you to push the button, and over time, these ones are made by Silca, as you can see. Over time, when you have your buttons and they get pushed, you can see the damage that's happened there, and the ripped cover doesn't look very good. The button's still good underneath, but you've got all this rubbish and gunk on top of your button. Makes the machine look terrible. This one here is still good, it's not ripped, but it is quite dirty, as you can see. Going over to a machine now that's about 15 years old, once again, it does work, it's not ripped, but it could use a little bit of improvement. Now looking at a Bianchi 105 or Keyline key machine, these ones didn't even come out with any protective covers at all. Using the same type of buttons, you can see that there's a bit of brass. I've actually just swept this one down. There is a bit of brass getting in there. So what will happen is, if you do get brass in there, it's going to short the terminals out. So I'm going to give this a bit of a clean. Around we go. Okay, now this is the product I'm using here, available from drlock.com.au. and it is a button, a new button housing. So I'm going to push that on, clip. It's going to clip in a position. Yep, there we go. A bit hard to do it with two hands, but I've just pushed it on there, and as you can see now, it's perfect. Now to take these off, you simply just need to prise them up with a flat blade screwdriver. To put them on, you simply need to just push down and clip them on. I'm going to clip one more on here because this is important. I don't want any rubbish getting into my key machine. So just bear with me now while I take another one out of the pack. I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, so here is my brand new button protector. Going to protect those metal filings or brass filings from getting in there. I'm simply going to push it on. So it's a little bit harder to clip on. Give it a little twist, and there we have it. Two nice, beautiful buttons. Now, when I push my button, it works perfectly. How nice that looks. They look brand new, and they protect metal filings such as brass filings. These ones here protects them from getting in between the switch and shorting out your machine, saving you troubles in the long run. Available from drlock.com.au. This is the Unicode, and once again, these buttons here